In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Brave browser with Face ID. Face ID is a feature that allows you to use facial recognition technology to unlock your device or specific apps. By setting up Face ID for the Brave browser, you can add an extra layer of security to protect your browsing data and personal information. To get started, open up the Brave web browser and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, bring this up and then tap Settings. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see an option called Browser Lock. Unlock Brave with Touch ID, Face ID, or System Passcode. To lock your Brave browser with Face ID, simply enable this option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.